Okay, hi, this is just Elaine speaking, just a quick video really. Finally got my capture card so I can finally start doing recordings off the console rather than with my webcam. So let's do a quick unboxing video. That's the front. Came this morning, well, about half an hour, 2 hours ago actually, so it's afternoon. Don't know if you can read that, but that's just the back of the box. So hopefully that comes through clearly. If not, I'm sorry, but do my best. So let's get this open. Now I did pre-cut this so I can get it open quicker. And there we go. Yeah, so many reviews of this card, but it seems pretty decent. So wasn't cheap, but worth the money. So it opens up there. Got a manual book. Where is it? I can't even see which way I'm going. Instructions. Well, a thank you card. Software and manual, even though I don't think I'll be using those. Let's see what I said. Breakout cables. So you've got your inputs and your outputs, which are clearly labelled pretty well. Let's get this open. Feels pretty dirty, so it doesn't feel cheap. So it's not going to fall apart in a hurry. Yeah, so they're clearly labelled, and they're not very clear on this camera, but oh well. And then something else at the bottom. That must be something else. That looks like an S-video adapter or something, I don't know. And then empty box. And you've got your capture card in there. So pretty good. Got all my cables ready, they're all around the back, so hopefully this is going to work out pretty well. So thanks for watching my video, and hopefully get this installed and do some videos to see how this looks. Looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. I hope it's helped. And if anyone wants any feedback or anything, just let me know, leave a comment or something, and hopefully in the next few hours I'll be able to start doing some proper game footage. Hopefully doing games like Final Fantasy 13 or something to start off with. Role playing games mainly, but any games you would like me to try and play, let me know. Put me a message in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.